Okay, guys, my hubby decided that we need another hive. So he ordered, where did you order that, honey bunny?
At Bee Castle.
Bee Castle.
Yeah, and if you order at Bee Castle, you don't have to pay tax.
Oh, you hear that?
You order on Amazon, you have to pay tax. So I use the Bee Castle website.
Yeah. So we're going to do an unboxing of it and see. It's our first time ordering from it, right?
No, I've ordered from Bee Castle before.
Oh, were they good?
But this is the first time I've ordered a full hive.
Oh, so this will be an experience. Okay, open it. So this is an unboxing of a Bee Castle
8-frame.
8-frame.
2 deep and 1 medium
Beehive box. Okay. Dun, 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 dun.
Instructions for the 3-layer.
3-layer 8-frame. There you go. And Katie is at the door, so we're gonna let Katie in. Gonna let the queen inside. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Yeah, I know. How dare us lock you out? How could you, Dada? How could you? Yeah.
1. Bottom bars. Top bars. Side bars. I tried making these before myself, and it's so much easier just to buy them already made. And for the price,
How much did you got it for?
the whole kit,
Uh-huh.
$139,
$139.
I think, something like that.
And these are the instructions. And this is how tall it's supposed to be, right?
Nails.
This is how
and
tall it's
screws.
supposed to be, right? Right there, like that.
Yep.
Wow, so there should be.
Inner cover, bottom board, and a top cover.
There you go.
Foundation for the supers. They feel pretty good. Feel like there's a little bit of wax, but I'll put more wax on them because the bees really like a lot of wax on there. And these ones look like they got pretty good covering. Maybe you could see it better because it's black. Should be 16 black ones and 8 yellow ones. And the hives have indented handle. And pre-drilled holes, and the bottom board. The bottom board's waxed.
We got a blizzard coming in, so it's a good thing it
Side.
arrived now, huh?
Yeah. Something to do when it's bad weather.
Yep.
Put this together. And more bottom rails for the frames. Another side. And they have good drilled and good wax. And an entrance reducer.
It's a big one.
And the inner cover doesn't have the notch that I like on my inner cover. But that's good. You put your feeder on top. On the queen excluder's plastic. I got a metal queen excluder.
Nice.
And the top cover. Just a basic telescoping top cover.
So you got everything? Did you
Yeah.
check it in the instruction? All the supplies you need? Are
Now,
they complete?
you got a box. Or Katie can have the box.
Okay, so see if we have it, all the parts. Are you happy with them?
I'm tired. Make an update video when it's time to put it together.
Yeah. But are they complete?
I think so.
Yeah.
I mean, I hope so.
Okay then.
I didn't count everything.
But we'll do a part 2 to see how it look like, right?
See if we have every screw and nail.
If it's enough. Should
See
we
if-
count it?
See if the tongue and grooves are good fitting. How
Okay.
fun it is to put together.
We'll see. Okay. Hit that like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Bye.
Get yourself a Bee Castle hive.
Oh, already?
I'll put the link in the description.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.